Hello everyone, after a long time welcome to CS tutorial. In this video I'm showing to you how you can to connect your smartphone with computer wirelessly and get access to your smartphone data in your PC. This means we don't need to use USB cable, and also we don't need to use Wi-Fi, Bluetooth and others. In this case we are using one application in our mobile, and after this we can to connect these two devices with each other and transfer data between them. So let's start. First, open Play Store in your mobile and search for FTP. After this, find this application, Wi-Fi FTP server main file transfer protocol. Download this application and open this in your mobile. Here we have two options, start and get free version. In this case we don't need to get free version, just click on start. Now this file transfer protocol server in your mobile started. So we need to copy this address, and now come on to your computer and open my computer in your PC. Right click in this PC and select add a network location. Here select next, choose a custom network location, click on this, and now type this address here, this address, and like I want to type here, okay, FTP colon slash slash 192.168.100.103 and colon 2221, and after this click on next, click on next, next, finish. Okay, now we can access to our smartphone data like this. Okay, now this is data of my mobile, and now also I can to move this data from mobile to computer like this. Okay, here you can see, and also we can copy this and we can paste here like this. Okay, like I want to copy this image from PC to mobile, and also we can to copy from mobile to computer. Like now I want to show to you this picture in my mobile like this. So this is a very easy way, and we used work smarting but not harding. Thank you for watching.